We about to lay this shit down. Shamika Thorns and Alonzo Graham. Brother and sister, we a fucking shook ya. Remix. Let go. I'm thinking about you like I'm thinking of a new invention. Having visions of us making love in the kitchen. You got my waters flowing like a tsunami. Full force knocking down buildings and bodies. This feeling is surreal, it's like we're in the Matrix. Can't get enough of you, and now I'm yelling, take six. You got me feeling hot like a jet in the sky. You would think I've been endorsed by United Airlines. Now we making decisions that can reflect the sunshine. And since you've been around and ain't a storm on my side, yeah, the weather is fine enough to paint a perfect picture. But it won't be perfect unless I'm in this picture with you. And I can see us rolling in that new Benzo. Henny sipping ashtray, burning the Kush roach. Yeah, and now we zoning, baby. So can I hit it in the morning? Oh, can I hit it in the morning? Yeah.
Started late, kissing and hugging, licking and fucking, getting it for hours, now you got me coming. Put your mouth over this head, girl, and show me you love me. Trying to suck me fast to sleep, yeah, that pussy, I love it. So keep fucking, no breaks. I'ma fuck you till your pussy ain't wiggle and shake. Till the next day, right around 8 in the morning, I want some extra steak. Scratch that, just put your pussy on the place so we can play. I can see it in your face that you want your pussy ate early in the morning.
Yeah, we like that shit down. We did this shit for Facebook cause we some fucking clowns. Haha, yeah, we do this shit right. And if you fuck with us, we can stay up all night. Yeah, and we don't just rap, we can sing and dance. We do some crazy dance and make you get out your underpants. Throw them on the stage cause I don't play. Don't give a fuck cause I will smoke on some yay. I'm just playing.
When the block is hot, shoot the rocks with the glots and we finna pop. Psych, Facebook, holla at us.